8 divided by 2 equals 4. And here we have 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So 4 divided by 6 and divided by 3. Now we have to do this division. 4 divided by 6 can be written as 4 over 6. Then divided by 3. Now let's simplify this fraction. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So we have 2 over 3 divided by 3. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 2 over 3 times 1 over 3, which equals 2 times 1 equals 2. So 2 over 3 times 3, which equals 9. So 2 over 9. And this is our final answer to this problem.